Pramod Madhav also joins us. Shilpa, continue to stay with us. Pramod, what is the situation around you? Even Chennai city appears flooded, and even right now I can see situation not completely normal around you.
Well, Pooja, situation is not pretty over here. This is not Chennai, but 135 kilometers from the spot called as Viduppuram, where you see this much water inundation, and it is severely like a bad situation over here. In fact, as we speak, they are trying to break down the barricades because you see over there it's quite dangerous, and that's what's happening over here right before us, because there's actually a kind of what's happening. One second, there's a bike caught. What's happening is that one side there is like complete water and the highway is completely inundated. This is the only way people can go from here. But the struggle is that the other part is actually a main area where there is no absolute connection, and because of that people are really struggling. These are the volunteers who've been working since morning trying to help people. A lot of people are stuck. In fact, when Pondicherry got 48 centimeters of rainfall, in Viduppuram, the one area called Mailam actually got 50 centimeters of rainfall, and that's the reason there is no actual kind of
this Pramod, as we bring in these absolutely scary visuals, these are flood waters and high speed. Go ahead. What was that JCB doing? Why did it have to break through these areas? Is there all of this area, has it been blocked right now?
Pooja, they are absolutely like they are not aware what is happening actually. So the JCB is here and they are actually moving this and closer to the JCB at this spot. And this is actually they are trying to break it to make sure that they can actually extend that area of water flow. But these people are not. They are not worried about the JCB. They are just moving close to that. Perhaps actually authorities are supposed to be here and make sure that
Pramod, show us the area. I see some vehicles passing by. Show us the extent of what's happening. Go ahead.
Come this way. See, Pooja, actually police are supposed to be here and make sure this is being monitored, but what is happening is that these are volunteers, these are young boys who are not aware of what's happening. One side they are trying to actually regulate the traffic, but on the other side, very dangerously that JCB is actually breaking, and these guys, without knowing, they're going to that side. We are trying to tell them, but they're not even understanding that. There is like vehicles over here. This is, as you see over there, these so like they do not
area
know what's
is
happening.
This, Pramod? What area is this? I can see that the gush of water is very strong. Logically, people shouldn't be here if they are not from rescue teams.
Absolutely, Pooja. We could see like not much people. These are the volunteers from this area who are trying to help, and without knowledge they're going that side and coming over here. In fact, as we speak, look, large rocks are actually breaking down and they're hitting us as well. And what's happening is that these people are here, but I don't see much authorities at the spot. Only volunteers are trying to help. It's absolute mayhem. But this is a location where 50 centimeters of rainfall was there, and due to that, that one complete area is underwater, Pooja.
What area are you in, Pramod? Because if the authorities in Tamil Nadu are listening to you, they should be sending teams here right away. Volunteers are doing it at the risk and sometimes unknown to them the situation. Tell us where you are. And I see people trying to cross despite the gush of water here.
We are at Viduppuram, just like probably 1.5 kilometers from the main bus stand. And these are volunteers. They are not aware what is happening. Earlier, they were only trying to actually regulate traffic and help people who are bringing the bikes, motorbikes like that. But what's happening right now is that a JCB is here and everybody is much closer to the JCB trying to take picture, and you see like they have broken it, and that's what you see, like complete rocks and everything is here. What the JCB is trying to do is actually break it and make sure that the water immediately flows out. Since yesterday night, the water flow has been like this over here. But like we speak, once again, over here, what's happening is that without their knowledge, they're actually walking by because they're only seeing the one side of the road, not the other way. And that is why it's like stirring.
Pramod, are you telling me all of this area around you is a busy town residential areas? Because all I see is right now water inundated the area.
Pooja, absolutely, like this is actually Viduppuram, one of the districts, and it is underwater. Now, Kadalur and Viduppuram have received maximum amount of rainfall. We only see the JCB trying to break the complete spot. Over there, if you see over there, people, I have to appreciate them for one side because they were trying to help people coming, taking their motorbikes, and this is the only main way to enter. The other ways are underwater. But right now, after the JCB has come over, it has become dangerous because people are not aware, and right now it is actually right time for authorities to come over here and regulate whatever is happening here, Pooja.
If I hope that the authorities are listening to your telecast right now and your ground report, and stay safe, Pramod, because while you are bringing us this excellent and important report from the ground, I can also see how dangerous and risk-worthy that is. So take care of yourself.